This is question number 1.1 and I'm going to solve part D. It is from class 11th and unit and dimension. So first of all, the question, the relative density of lead is 11.3. Its density in gram centimeter cube or kg per meter cube. Okay. So the concept is you have learned in your previous classes, but the main thing is we have to do the unit conversion, and the thing is you have to keep in mind that you will always have to use the units in the same unit when you are doing operations. So two things: whenever doing operations, keep that all the units same, and the conversion follow the step that I have shown to you, right? So first of all, let's see that concept. Quick revision of this concept. So relative density is equal to density of material by difference density of reference material, and for getting the density of material, density of relative density into density of reference material you have to do. So this is the formula for getting the density of material that you have to find, right? And now the main thing, you have to do the unit conversion. That this way you are going to find the answer in a kg per meter cube, right? Kg per meter cube, but you want the answer in gram gram per centimeter cube. So how you are going to convert this? Just write the step. In 1 kg you want to convert this kg into gram and meter into centimeter. So 1 kg you have to write and 1 meter you have to write, and then the value of 1 kg, then the value of 1 meter in centimeter. You have to put this value here and here, and you have to do the operations. 1 kg is equal to 100,000 gram, and this, so you have to do the numerical value operation differently and unit differently, and you have to write that 100 cube and centimeter cube, right? And you have to separate that numerical value and the unit value differently, and then after all you are going to get that desired thing in the unit you want to desire, right?